Rocker Pat here. All right, man, we are grinding it down, getting them down and making them sound. Okay, so far what I've done off camera is I have cut a piece of 2x4. I already had this ripped in half from previous projects. I use this kind of stock all the time. One thing I did have to do was, because the thickness was different than the thickness that I had going on here and here, fortunately I have a planer that I had bought when I put the little camper together. So I was able to run this 2x4 through and take it from 1.5 inch thick to 1 3/8 inch thick. So now it's the perfect size. It fits up in there very nicely. I cannot complain about that. Now, how I'm gonna fasten this, they had 2 nails going this way from the factory, and they had a staple that went from here up and over, okay? A big, thick nail type staple. I'm not gonna do that. What I'm gonna do is, we're gonna use these construction screws, and I'm gonna sink them deep into the hole. For this corner right here, there's a little bit of rot going on here, a little breakout. I don't wanna put too much stress on that, so I have made a little bracket that I am going to put around this way, okay? I have countersunk the heads so that when this is all together, it should be flush, so that when this piece goes on, okay, then it will be all good, right? So, next thing I'm gonna do, because I'm sinking these big old long screws in here, first thing I have to do is pilot drill it. If I try to sink this all the way through, I'll just crack this and this. So what I want to do is, I've got this ratchet strap right here so that I can tighten this up a little bit. Maybe. I don't want to go hog wild on it, but I do need to get it somewhat proper. It looks like I'm off over here. So let me get that back in place. Like that. We're going to take this piece. Just there a little bit. I'm going to take this piece and make sure everything's fitting proper. Now I still got to put sealant on this panel, but I shall do that at another time. It'll get dum-dum. I don't know if you know what strip caulk is, 3-inch strip caulk, but that's what's supposed to go there. And I just happen to have a well-stocked auto garage. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this panel slid into place. I'm gonna drill the hole. That hole drilled, what I think I'm going to do is go ahead and sink my first screw. Just remember, I don't really know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just doing it, which is how I do everything. Sometimes it comes out looking nice. Alrighty, go to the other side. Drill this out. Alright. Change up once. Sink my next screw over here. Remember, if you ever want to sink a screw, drill the hole first. Ah, son of a bitch. See, it just broke out that one piece right there because I hit a big knot. Well, guess what? We just won't put that screw in there then. I will come over here and I'll see if I can screw down below it, or else that piece just became nothing. Oh, it got hot. It got hot. Oh. Take one of these smaller screws. Oh, sink it that good. There we go. That'll be it. That's all it's getting. I gave it all I can get, and I ain't giving it no more. Alright. 2 screws on the other side. And this should effectively get our door back square and solid. Perfect. One next to it. Perfect. Good enough for the girls I go out with. Might have to put a little spacer in there. Alright, well, you got the idea here, guys. We're going to strengthen it up. A little bit there. Yeah, I'm going to have to fix that. Maybe if I take some of this off. What I need to do here, jelly beans. Pull that out. Square it down. Alright guys, well there you go. There's the bottom of it. Bring you back when I'm ready to skin it. Alright you guys, y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. I got some more grinding it down to do.